What up, people? Hey, man, I told y'all it wasn't gonna be as long as it was last time before y'all saw me again, man. So today we out here messing with the AC compressor on the Mistress here. I was trying to I got a single wire compressor, AC compressor. It's not like the factory one that got like the 2-prong thing that you plug on the top of it. So it's a little bit different, and I've been trying to figure it out. I didn't really know where the wires go. I don't know what wires are for the AC or what. So I've been out here just, tearing stuff apart, doing a little research here and there on the Gbody forum, on YouTube, whatever. But I see on YouTube, I see a lot of people got this compressor, but they didn't show where the wire come from to hook it up, or like any other wiring. They just showing like what they got and how to hook up the high and low hoses or whatever. So I decided to get on out here and mess around with it while I had a little time. And shout out to Creole Boy, he on YouTube. I found his channel last night. I subscribed to him. Y'all go check him out, man. He the one motivated me to mess with this AC. He got a clean old 89 box Chevy, I believe. I think it's an 89. But yeah, y'all go check him out, man. He got some good content over there. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all, maybe I can help somebody out if they don't know what wires are under their hood or whatever, because I got a whole lot of stuff that wasn't hooked up. I still got a lot of stuff that's not hooked up. I don't know what it is or where it goes, but instead of cutting it, I'm just tucking it. And so that, maybe I might need it later on down the road. I don't know. But I'm gonna show y'all what I did and how I found out what kind of power, make sure how I got power and everything to the compressor. And, hopefully soon we'll have some AC in this thing. Like I said, first things first, I got to get that exhaust done, which is coming in a few days. Y'all hold on. Hey, I can't wait either. But in a few days, I'll have that exhaust done, and we'll get the cam break-in done, and it's definitely going to be on video. But soon to follow after that, I want to make sure my AC is right, because it's hot, man. I want to ride with AC. So I'm going to show y'all what I did, and hopefully this will help somebody out. All right, people. So this is a recap of what I've already done. I've already done the work without the camera rolling, so now I'm coming back. I set it up the way that it was before I started working on it. So here I got my multimeter here. As you can see, it's on 0. So no voltage. I got my negative hooked up here to the battery, and then I have my positive going to this wire. So I've already found out that this is my single wire that goes to the single wire here that's coming from my compressor. So my compressor has one single wire there, and this is a single like kind of bright green wire. This is another set of wires. I really don't, I think it's for the AC, but I'm not sure what it is. I think this wire actually, this connector actually plugs into the factory AC unit. I'm not sure. If you know, let me know. I don't know. Also, I found these cables. It's 2 green cables. One of them has a white stripe on it, and then there's a ground here. I don't know what this is. I don't know where it came from. It's possible that it came from the alternator, the factory alternator, but I don't know. If you know what this is, hey, get in the comment section and let me know. Let the people know, because and probably some people out there with wires and stuff hanging and they don't know what it is or where it go or whatever. As y'all can see, I put a little piece of tape on there that say AC, but I thought it was for AC, but I'm pretty sure this is not for AC. The green cables confuse me. So anyway, we got this cable here we got these cables here, which I'm pretty sure I don't need. I got my multimeter set up. So I'm gonna go in the inside of the car, turn the AC on, and we'll see if we get 12 volts on that multimeter. So you're gonna get a little power here. As y'all can see, we got power. I got the AC turned on. I know it's dark in here. So we get over here and look at there. 0 volts still. It's hooked up to the ground, got it hooked up to this wire. Still got 0 volts. So I kept looking, and then I find these cables here. I find this cable, and then the other end of it is here. Didn't know what this was, but I saw that they were unplugged. So it got a green, well, 2 greens, a black and a red. This was unhooked. So when I hooked this up, which you can see here, it's still showing that there's no power. So I'm going to hook this cable up here, this connector. Y'all bear with me, I'm one-handing it. One-handing this thing. Bear with me. Alright, so I'm about to plug it up now. Look at that. We jump up to 11.45 volts. So this has to be hooked up in order for you to in order for the compressor to get power. I do not know what this is, but it got a thick red cable, it got 2 green cables, and a black cable for ground. Now it's hooked up, and I'm constantly getting 11.45 volts. I got my positive hooked up to the green wire. What's going on, man? Appreciate you, man. Yep, you too. Hey man, I love it, man. Oh yeah. Hey, them coming back too. Yep. Oh yeah. That's what's up, man. I appreciate you. You too, man. Have a good one. So I got my green wire hooked up here, going to my ground, going to the multimeter, and I'm at 11.45 volts. So this is my power for my compressor, this green wire here. Like I said, I do not know what this is. I'm not sure what this is, and I do not know what this is either, but I know it needs to be hooked up for power to the compressor. So if anybody knows what those cables are, please let us know. I would like to know, even though I don't think I need them. I would definitely like to know what it is. But that's about it. I just wanted to show y'all what what I came up with today. And like I said, man, again, shout out to Creole Boy with the 89 box Chevy, man. Y'all go check him out, man. He got some real good content on his page, a clean box Chevy as well. But y'all can hear the blower motor working, and we got power, man. Hey Jamil, get in there and turn the AC off. I don't know if you can see it. You might need light. So I just need you to turn it's a switch that you move to the left. Just slide it to the left and turn the AC off. All right, so he just turned the AC off. I guess y'all can hear that the blower motor turned off, and we back at 0 volts. And now turn it back to max. And now we back up to 11.5. So this is our power. Hopefully this helps somebody out, man. I'm all about helping somebody, because we definitely need it when we messing with these old schools, man. So now I'm gonna take this cable, and I'm probably gonna have to extend it and run it around, and then I'm gonna, go to my single wire coming out of this this AC compressor. Now you can turn it off now. Now turn it back on. Turn it off. And turn it on. Alright, you can turn it off. So hey, the proof is in the pudding, man. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. The proof is in the pudding. Finally found my cable that goes to my AC. Finally found it. So like I said, I hope this will help somebody out, man, because I hadn't seen anything on it online. And if you don't know, this your first time owning this type of car or messing with anything, it ain't easy to find all this stuff. When you got wires that's all apart and not connected to anything. Yes, sir. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? 87 SS boy. All right, yeah, we done wrapped it up, y'all. So hopefully somebody got something out of this video today, man. Hopefully I could help somebody. Hopefully somebody get in the comment section and help me out and others and let us know what these cables that's unhooked are, because I don't know. Help me, help other people. Like, help me. We all in this together, man. Everybody that's building these cars, man. Like, you know what I'm saying? Each one teach one. I don't know if y'all ever heard that before, but if I know something, I'm gonna let you know what it is. If you know something, share that same information, man. But I appreciate y'all once again, man. Hey, we at 1,100 subscribers. I said that the other day. I think we might be at 1,106 now. But we gonna keep running this thing up, man. I'm gonna keep bringing y'all content and sharing my my good stuff and my bad stuff with y'all. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people like to see all the bad stuff, but we're going to share good stuff too. You know what I'm saying? I like positivity as well. But everybody feed into the drama, but it is what it is. But yeah, y'all keep rocking with me, man. And we're going to keep on moving with this thing.